Hey, John Disler here, johndisler.com. Today I'll be discussing installing WordPress the easy way. And as you can see, I have Siteground up. Siteground is my hosting provider. I have managed WordPress hosting with them. I have a couple of domains with them. But you can use whoever you want. I prefer that you pick managed WordPress hosting. That's very important to look at, managed WordPress hosting. You can do a quick Google search on this. Different companies will do it for you. A really good one, other than SiteGround, which is what I use. I think HostGator will do it for you. Also, Pantheon.io. They're the expensive or the high end, I believe. They help you a lot. They do a lot of things for you as far as keeping your site up to date. That's really what managed WordPress is about. It's about keeping your site up to date, making sure that plugins won't crash as they come with new release. Or new releases of WordPress versions. They also do really good staging where they have a really good dashboard, good support panel when you are doing your staging for your clients so that your clients can see the page before it goes live. I have a blog here on buildasite.com about it. I wrote it a few months ago, and it talks a little bit about managed WordPress hosting, an experience I had with that for a client. So going back to SiteGround, let's get started here. So I'm going to go to my accounts, and again, for your provider, your hosting provider, it'll be different. It'll look different, but it's essentially almost the same. So we'll go to our control panel or a cPanel. Here I'm going to go to create a new subdomain. The new subdomain, I'll create it under my website, johndisler.com, and it's going to be blog.johndisler.com. I'll create that one. Looks like we ran into a problem. Let's look down here. Looks like it's already created, so I'll remove it as I was testing it before. So the name will be blog.build, not build. We're going to go to the cPanel. In the control panel, I'm going to go to subdomains to create a new subdomain for this WordPress installation. It's going to be blog. And then I'll create it under my website, which is johndisler.com. blog.johndisler.com. I'll create it. And then you have successfully created the blog.johndisler.com. Let's go back. Now what we have to do is let's go back to the cPanel home and let's get into installing WordPress under that domain name or subdomain. So we go to WordPress installer. This is the easy way of doing it. There's a manual way of doing it as well, but this is the easier way. This will install WordPress for you. So I'll go to install now. WordPress version, the latest. I'll go ahead and put HTTP here for now for blog.johndisler.com, and I'll create a sub or an index page, which the index page can be we can put start. So it'll be blog.johndisler.com.start, and here I'll leave everything else the same. I don't need the WordPress starter. That's up to you. Classic editor is just the new editor. Gutenberg had issues at the beginning, but now they fixed it, so I don't need to do the classic or to roll back the editor. English, of course. Here's the email address, and I do have to set up my username, which I'll just do John, and then for password, I'll just do @test password 1 or anything really. You'll see later on that you don't even need to do this. It's good to remember it, but you don't even need it actually. I'll show you why. Go ahead and install. This will take a few seconds, probably a minute or two, and then we'll just wait for that to finish up. Okay, so congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Now I can go back to the cPanel home. I'll go back to my WordPress installer and scroll down all the way down here there is blog.johndisler.com/start. If I visit this page, here's how it looks. Just a blank page. Nothing there, no theme or anything, just a blank page. And that's how you would essentially do a WordPress installation. I'll show you here this little icon. I don't know if you'll have it in your hosting provider, but I do on Siteground. This will actually let you log into your WordPress installation so you can make updates and changes without needing your password. So if I click on this, it should take me straight to my dashboard. Here's my WordPress dashboard, and then I can start customizing my website. On the next video, I will show a little bit of customizing the website with Divi. Thank you for watching.